Guys, let's continue. So now we have your simultaneous equations. So you will be given x and y, which are functions of t basically, and you need to find xt and yt. So let's take an example and I'll explain on the way. So suppose you have dx by dt plus y is equal to sine t, and dy by dt plus x is equal to cos t. And you are given x of 0 is 0 and y of 0 is 2. So first of all, what you're going to do, you're going to write Laplace of x is equal to capital XS, where XS is a function of S. So your L of x dash becomes S XS minus x of 0. Now x of 0 is given as 0, so this becomes S XS. Similarly, Laplace of y is capital YS. Laplace of y dash is SYS minus y0, which is SYS minus 2. So now let's look at these equations. So your first equation given to you is x dash plus y is sine t. Let's take Laplace on both sides. So Laplace of x dash is SXS plus Laplace of y is YS. Laplace of sine t is 1 upon s square plus 1. So this is equation 1. Your second equation is y dash plus x is equal to cos t. So your y dash is SYS minus 2 plus, we're taking Laplace on both sides, plus Laplace of x is XS is equal to s upon s square plus 1. Let's take this 2 to the other side. So you'll get s of ys plus xs is equal to s upon s square plus 1 plus 2. Now this is your second equation. Now basically you have these two equations and you need to solve it for xs and ys. So let's eliminate this. So we'll multiply this equation by s so that we get SYS and it gets cancelled. So equation 1 multiplied by s, that will give you s square xs plus SYS is equal to s upon s square plus 1. And your equation 2 is SYS plus xs is equal to s upon s square plus 1 plus 2. So now let's minus so that the terms get cancelled out. So SYS gets cancelled, and s upon s square plus 1, s upon s square plus 1 get cancelled. So you're left with s square xs plus xs is equal to 2. Now all we need to do is solve this for xs. So if we take xs as common, you'll get s square plus 1 multiplied by xs is equal to 2. So xs is 2 upon s square plus 1. And this was Laplace of x. So to find x, you need to take Laplace inverse of 2 upon s square plus 1. Sorry guys, there's a slight mistake. This is not plus, this is minus. S square minus 1 minus 1. So this becomes 2 sin ht. This is the value of x. -2. So sorry. This is the final answer. So now that we found x, now we need to find y. So what I'm going to do is I will take this as equation 3. So let's go back to equation 1. You have sxs plus ys. Sxs plus ys is equal to 1 upon s square plus 1. So let's put the value of xs from equation 3. S multiplied by -2 divided by s square minus 1 plus ys is equal to 1 upon s square plus 1. So minus 2s divided by s square minus 1 plus ys is equal to 1 upon s square plus 1. So ys becomes 1 upon s square plus 1 plus 2s upon s square minus 1. So this is Laplace of y. So y is Laplace inverse of 1 upon s square plus 1 plus 2s upon s square minus 1. So this will give you sin t plus 2 times cos ht. So this is your answer. So this is how you solve the system of equations. If you guys have any doubts, leave them in the comment section or DM me on Instagram. I'll make sure I answer. Thank you.